guys, and welcome back to some tool time. Today we are going to be testing this water pump. Now, surprisingly enough, it is not DeWALT, even though it's yellow. It's an off-brand, I think it's Melif, or it's just an Amazon third-party brand. It's compatible with my DeWALT batteries, so I love that. And this is supposed to pump 12 gallons per minute, or 720 gallons per hour. So that's quite a lot of water, really fast. I'm gonna drain my hot tub today and test this to see if it really works or if this is kind of a gimmick. So let's stick it in the water and see how it does. So it's a fairly simple process. What we're gonna do is put the pump end into the hot tub, and then we're gonna keep our drain hose on the outside to obviously drain the water out. All you do is press the go button, and then let's time this to see if it really pumps as fast as it says. Here we go. Yeah. So it's spraying all over. Now we wait. Dang guys, I am actually very impressed with this off-brand pump. It drained the whole hot tub in I think like 25, 30-ish minutes. Its battery life lasted the whole time. It still says full, and it was super easy to use. So I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for playing with the pump today and draining my hot tub with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me here and on all of my socials at Sunny Moon. If you need more tool reviews or you just want to see fun content, hit me up in the DMs. And until then, happy building!